Are you looking for the Shark S3973D Lift Away Pro Steam Pocket Mop? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start the discussion. Features: hot vapors and clean homes. Since only minuscule volumes of moisture are left on the ground, what is left is readily taken up by the attached cleaning pad or else speedily evaporates. Hard surfaces including marble, tile, and slate, as well as linoleum and laminate floorboards, will be left dry in less than a minute. Laminate floors can stand infrequent spills, but do not forget that you must take care when it comes to wooden flooring. Too much wetness can soak through cracks and damage the laminate cores. This presents less of an issue with seamless flooring, such as linoleum and vinyl. 2-in-1 versatility and smart operation. The slim housing is easy to move around furniture and corners as you go. The handheld steamer at its core is detached by pushing on the release button while tugging it off its cradle. Aside from a steam release switch, streams can be adapted to low, medium, or high levels. The 22-foot-long power cord is long enough to get to most wall outlets. Once the mop head is folded, the entire unit can be stored in almost any tall closet. The quick release mechanism is helpful for letting you avoid handling the pads once dirty. The 3 steam levels match the following conditions: light setting, simple dusting and steaming, clearing less hardy surfaces. Mop setting, daily cleaning, eliminating smaller spots and other messes. Steaming the majority of surfaces, steaming areas with moderate traffic. Scrub setting, deep steaming tough surfaces, steaming and sanitizing heavily used areas. Liquefying encrusted dirt and grime, dislodging the toughest stains. Convenient and flexible steaming. To open up the mop head, lift its shaft straight until it is hanging directly over the center of the pad. Push the release knob at the side, and both sides will fall open and onto the fabric. Slip each corner tab into the corresponding corner pocket of the pad. After securing the cloth, carefully press the head down onto the ground on both sides to latch each into place. To release the pad, simply engage the same release knob, both sides will unfold and nicely shrug off the dirty pad. Pros: versatile. Can be used for sealed hard floor steaming, and the detachable hand unit can be used for clothing, kitchen appliances and above floor cleaning like countertops cleaning. Heats up fast. The touch-free technology makes it easy to put on and release the mopping pad without touching it. Steam blaster emits more steam for stuck-on spots. Cons: does not stand on its own, have to lean it on something. With the hand unit you have to hold down the steam trigger continuously while you need steam. A switch would be better.